Erokamano Judith Omondi kuom lipodno. Jochiw thieth e bwo riwruok mar KUCO oseo piny owacho kuom rem keto omenda moromo mar ndiko gi e yo mongirore kod miyo gi omenda mabalang' maketo gi e lwasi makare mar tich e bajet mar higa ma 2024-2025. Kolose kaunti ma Nakuru. Jakom riwruogno Peterson Wachira okwayo komiti mochung' ne thieth kod bajet onene gi yudo omenda makamano. Ng'any mar riwruogno koro ochopo odiochieng' mar 67.
And the ministry has failed because they failed to budget. They were supposed to budget for conversion of universal health coverage staff, which required an additional 3.5 billion. They also did not budget for 900 million to implement the enhanced risk allowance for clinical officers. So I want to address the parliamentarians and specifically Honorable Dindi Nyoro, the chair of the budget committee, and Honorable Dr. Pukose, the chair of the health committee, that really these are the two people together with parliamentarians that can actually be able to resolve this strike